Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to do a part 2 following up on my last video that introduced the new craft organization handbook that also has, I guess, the swatches. So you can check out that video if you haven't. I will leave a link in the description below. Today I'm going to introduce the second project that I've been working on, and I'm very excited because I think they turned out amazing, and so I'm looking forward to sharing it with you and showing you what it is. Okay, so here's what I want to share. So I do a lot of Procreate and digital design. So I got these new paper kits that I've been working on. And the printer did an amazing job of these. So let me just show you one that's open. So this is a music-themed paper pack. And I'm very happy with the color, the graphics. The only thing is there's a few updates that I need to make, which on the final copies I will do that. Here's what I want to share with you. So I have added 2 additional pages. I felt that 10 wasn't quite enough, so I did design 2 additional ones, which will be a surprise in the final pack. This needs to be updated as well, which I will do, but I just wanted to share the amazing quality of these papers. So they are quite thick, and the graphics and designs, the color just came out so amazing. So if any of you are avid scrapbookers and you were interested in doing some layouts with music, then this would be the kit for you. It's got a little bit of a distressed look on each one, more of a vintage style. So here's the first one. Here is the second one, and I just wanted to do a quick overview of what each of these looks like. So there's that one and that one. This is probably one of my favorites. This one. This also is one of my favorites. It looks just so amazing. They did such a good job on the colors, the quality. Yes, this one, this one, this one. Just as a note, I do sell these on my Etsy store currently as digital downloads, and they were selling very, very well, which is part of the reason why I felt it would be valuable to offer it in a hard copy as well, physical copy, and so that's why I decided to get these printed. So this is what they look like. So there's 10 in this kit right now. I have 10 of these packs that will be available on my Etsy store. The updated ones will have 12, like I said. So these ones will be a bit less to purchase, and I will leave a link below around how to get these from my Etsy store. Looking forward to doing more of this in 2025. If you like these and you like this style, let me know. I do have other papers that I have been working on, other kits, and one for Christmas and then one more generic, but they are still very vintage, distressed style. Let me know in the comments below, and looking forward to seeing you again. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please do me a big favor and give it a like, comment below, or share the video. Anything will help, and I know every YouTube video every creator asks you to do that in their YouTube video. There is a reason. It's very important in order for us to continue to make these videos for you. So if you do like it, any part of it, please give me a like, and have yourself a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.